Hi there! If you frequently work with blueprints, floor plans, or imported models in 3ds Max, you know how tedious it is to manually calculate scale factors. 2-point scale v1.0 solves this problem once and for all. It's a clean, fast, and lightweight script designed for precision scaling using just 2 points. Say goodbye to scene cluttering helpers. This tool runs entirely on seamless Viewport graphics. Smart Crosshairs automatically snap to vertices by forcing a 3D snap and dynamically resize as you zoom with the mouse wheel. Plus, the built-in Ortho mode ensures perfectly straight lines in all 2D projections. The best part, intelligent unit conversion. Your scene can be in millimeters, but if you enter dimensions in inches, meters, or feet, the script flawlessly converts the scale with absolute accuracy. Fully tested and rock solid in 3ds Max 2017, 2020, and 2022. Download link is in the description. Upgrade your workflow today.